Hello viewers, today I'm going to guide you the steps to set up your AT&T Wi-Fi extender. So let's get started. First, download and open the Smart Home Manager application from the App Store or Google Play. Then sign in with your AT&T Internet account and go to the Home Network section. Here tap on Wi-Fi extenders, then add an extender. The app will search for the extender automatically when it appears selected and follow the on-screen prompts. Remember, the app will verify signal strength, confirm placement, and pair the extender with your gateway. It's normal for the extender light to blink or change color during pairing. Once pairing is done, unplug the extender and move it to a better location, ideally halfway between your gateway and the weak signal area. Then make sure your phone shows 2 to 3 bars at the new location. That's a good sign the extender will work well there. Now plug the extender back in at the new spot and wait for the light to become solid white, which confirms it's connected and extending Wi-Fi. Now walk around the previously weak areas with your phone or laptop to test coverage. You should see stronger signal bars and improved speeds. And that's all.